Meteorologist Brad Anderson here in the 1011 Weather Center. Here's the forecast for the rest of your Friday into the weekend. Basically sunny skies for our Friday as high pressure moves through the area. The wind will be a lot lighter than yesterday. We had gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour for much of the state. Today, I think we see this west-northwest breeze around 5 to 15. And again, lots of sunshine, and temperatures are going to be warmer. Tonight will not be as cold. Most areas dipping down into the 40s. And then Saturday, there will be some variable high-level cloudiness, especially for central and southern Nebraska. So I think some filtered sunshine from time to time. It will also be breezy with a south-southwest wind picking up 10 to 20, gusts to 30 miles per hour. But it will be much warmer with much of the state moving into the 80s for your Saturday afternoon. Saturday night will be relatively mild, and another warm day expected on Sunday. In fact, it may be less wind on Sunday, more sunshine, and a few of us could be a little bit warmer. Let's skip ahead and talk a little bit about Monday. This is the severe weather potential day 4 on Monday afternoon, Monday night. And from the Storm Prediction Center, this is a slight risk for Grand Island, Hastings, and Lincoln. This means there could be scattered severe thunderstorms as we head into Monday and perhaps Monday night. So this is something we're keeping an eye on, but we're not talking about any kind of rain or thunderstorm activity for the weekend. Same story with this 5-day precipitation potential. The rain chances don't even start until Monday. This will go until Wednesday morning, 17th, or at least through Wednesday morning. Most of the more significant rain will be over northern and northeast Nebraska, and this is basically between a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch. Right now, I think for Lincoln, Crete, Beatrice, Fairbury, it's looking more like a quarter of an inch to maybe a half an inch of rainfall. Certainly could use more than that, but hopefully we'll at least get that. And then as you head down into Hastings and in the McCook area, you're probably talking about a quarter of an inch or less. This may fluctuate as well over the weekend, but right now it looks like the heaviest, which isn't a lot, but the heaviest will be over far northern and northeast Nebraska. Back to the Friday pollen outlook. Tree pollen will be at high levels with weed and grass pollen at lower levels. Again, looking at the UV index, a 7 today in the high category. That burn time about 20 minutes without the sunscreen, especially if you're out and about between 10 and 3 o'clock. As we move on and check out the forecast for today, I think we could make it up to 71. Normal high or average high is 64. West-northwest breeze 5 to 15 miles per hour. 69 in Crete, 70 in Waverly and Wilbur. Here are your average highs for April 12th, and most of it should be in the low to mid-60s with 64 in Lincoln, 62 in Grand Island, 62 in North Platte. So highs this afternoon will be a bit above average, looking at upper 60s and lower 70s with the sunshine. And again, that west-northwest breeze 5 to 15 miles per hour. 71 in Lincoln, 70 in Beatrice, 71 in Geneva with 71 in Grand Island, 78 in McCook, and 70 in Ainsworth. Again, not as cold tonight, 40s for the most part. Quick look at the Lincoln weekend forecast, 45 tonight. Breezy on Saturday, 84 with some high-level clouds. South wind gusting to around 30 miles per hour. Mild for Saturday night with 50 the overnight low. Less wind for Sunday, lots of sunshine, and could see about 87 for the high temperature. Highs across the state on Saturday, basically in the 80s, 82 in Lexington, 83 in Columbus, 84 in Lincoln. Highs on Sunday, about the same for most of us, although maybe eastern and southeast Nebraska could be 2 or 3 degrees warmer, potentially 87 in Lincoln and 88 for the high in Hebron. Here's the Lincoln 10-day forecast. As I mentioned, the wind dies down a bit for Sunday, but Monday it will be windy and warm with mid-80s and scattered thunderstorms Monday afternoon, Monday night. Some of those storms strong to severe. And then Tuesday, a continued chance for showers and a few thunderstorms, windy and cooler with lower 70s. The cooling trend continues on Wednesday with mid-60s, breezy, slight chance for rain on Thursday, breezy only in the mid-50s. And next Friday might only be in the lower 50s for the Lincoln area. 57 Saturday, 63 on Sunday. At this point, next weekend looks dry, but it does look like temperatures will be a lot different from what we're going to